a lot of things that look right on the body when you're thinking about the perspective of where it's placed on the body, different planes that it covers, look completely wrong on flat paper,
right?
And vice versa.
Yeah. So many people look at a sleeve design and they just look at it and they're kind of confused. Mm-hmm. But then when I explain, like, this is your elbow, this is the ditch, this is where it wraps around. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think that's an important point, especially when you're dealing with complex changes, like up finishing a sleeve over a shoulder or finishing a sleeve onto a back piece, where it's a very like deliberate and noticeable change in the plane. But I think about, like, in a natural standing position, someone views this way, and then if it travels onto the back, they view it completely differently, and they can't see the first area of it, and or the area that it attaches to. And so the relationship of those things in a flat plane are completely insignificant. They don't mean anything at all.
Right. Because you're working with a big slope up here. Mm-hmm. So I had a buddy recently I did a big dragon koi on. He wanted some type of dragon coming out from it, but he had no idea what to do.
Yeah.
And I could only think of it in a couple of ways. Like, I couldn't really think of this big slant. So I had to just kind of draw a piece of it and then draw the rest on to fit.
Yeah.
Like, I needed to draw the dragon's head so the neckline would come down like this, and the claw would be up here, but so that it wouldn't be completely on top of the trap. It can't. There's just it just doesn't look right,